What's up everybody, Black Dragonrider here, how you guys doing? I hope you're having a good time, because I am. I'm freaking having an awesome time. And also good news to you guys, just got a phone call yesterday. I got a call for an interview on, what is it, Thursday? Today it's Friday, so I have to be at the interview at 3 o'clock. So I need to quickly do some few stuff. I woke up about at 7:30. I need to go back to my old job place and get a reference letter. I think it's reference letter. So I need 2 reference letters from the job that I did. So I need to go to the agency and to go to my other job. So that's what I'm doing now, and see if I can get one printed. So I just need 2. Yeah, I just couldn't believe it that I got a phone call about what, 7 o'clock or something like that. 7 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, so I wanted to get my shit ready. So I put my clothes in the washing machine last night. Also I need to get my clothes ironed because I went to my family member's house, left one of my t-shirts there, so I need to get that ironed. Oh gosh, my eyes is freaking watering. Jump on my bike and my eyes is watering. Really annoying. The job that I actually applied for, it was a forklift job, but it really did take long to reply back, and I also got a phone call. Oh damn it, I just remembered I just washed my bike. So I thought I'd maybe just bring you guys along and head to the interview. I try my best not to talk too much, because I don't want it to be like a really long video. So good news from me. Another good news as well, that one of the tenants is moving out. Yay, he's moving out. So it's good for me that he's moving out. At least I don't have to hear screaming, shouting, things being punched through walls and all that stuff. Good. I don't need that crap in my life. Also, as well, that he's going back to do bodybuilding and going boxing. That's fine by me. I pretty much don't give a care, because I'm going back to training as well. So if he's planning to have a fight before he goes, that's fine by me. I'm not really that fussed. And like I said guys, this is what you have to deal with when you are in a shared house, when you're living with someone who is aggressive, especially the young ones. And these days you just pretty much can't have a peaceful life without someone ruining it for you. So when he do leaves, I just hope that he doesn't start anything, because if he does, then pretty much that I've got everything recorded, and make sure that everything is recorded, voice recorded and that. So, and also I think he's tried to start like a argument, or try to start trouble, because he put his bike where I put my bike through in and out of the garage, and he purposely blocked my path. So he'd be saying, oh, you shouldn't touch my bike, you shouldn't fucking touch my bike. So I know what some people are like, they just want to start a fight. I made sure that I record it, to record where his bike was, and then me moving it, and then put it back where it was. And luckily that when the tenants got home from work, he's seen the bike where it is. So if he does lie, then at least I got one tenant that actually knows where the bike is from the beginning. The problem is that I really don't want to go to this interview with my motorbike clothes on. But I'm glad that the man understands that I don't have a transport. Glad that some people understand. Are you gonna go fast? Going fucking 30, aren't I? For fuck's sake. Going 30 miles per hour. That must be 30. Well, I got my reference letter, so all I need to do is go to my agency and get a reference letter from them. It's weird being on this road again as as I like going to work. It's good to see the old gun again. I can't wait to get a new screw for my handguard. I really cannot wait. I had to literally buy another handguard for my LED handguard because I can't find any other screw that is like exactly the same as the one that I got. As if the agency that I go to get jobs is closed, so now I have to try to find myself a way to get a freaking oh gosh, can't even get a reference letter. That is it, reference letter. So I have to figure out where I can get myself another reference letter. Now this is going to be a good one. Where do I get a reference letter from? Because my bloody agency is closed. I don't have any other jobs, and this is the problem. This is one big problem, right? Amount of times that I ask some friends for a job, even if it's cleaning freaking toilets in a freaking bar or nightclub, and I couldn't get a reference letter from them. And I could get a reference letter. I could have gone in to a bar or phone up one of my mates and say, listen, I need a reference letter that works for you, I need a reference letter. Done. I wouldn't have to go this far. But anyway, I better go to my family member's house and then get my clothes ready for 3 o'clock, and hopefully the guy send me the information, because he supposed to send me the information on my phone, not just my phone, and also my email. So hopefully it did one or two.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me.